I want to break down the differences between the SureCare pet feeder and the Petlibro pet feeder. These are both great RFID cat feeders. Now I have two of these SureCare pet feeders. I've been using these for about 2 years. What I really love about these is they will read the cat's microchip that's up between their shoulders with this top beam, so you don't have to have your cat wear a collar. But it does come with an RFID tag if your cat is not tagged. And then when the cat comes up, this compartment will automatically open, just like that. And then when the cat leaves, it will close back up. And it has covers on both sides so other cats can't get in. And it will also recognize when other cats try to get in and will automatically close. Now, I have loved having these as it's made my life so much easier and reduce the stress on my cats. Instead of having to separate them in different rooms to eat, they can eat right next to each other or whenever they want. My cats are each on completely different diets and they eat at completely different rates. So these allow them to eat what they need when they want it. My one issue with it is that it is also very simple. You do have to refill it and track how often you're feeding your cat. Now the Petlibro is very similar in that you can set unique foods for each cat. It will close and open only for the specific cat, and it has protection so other cats can't get in and steal the food while that one cat's eating. What makes this so amazing is that you can truly set it and forget it. You can fill it up with a ton of kibble for your cat, and then you can set a schedule on when it's going to feed your cat. And it will feed in 1/12 cup increments, so you can feed as much or as little as you want throughout the day. And when you feed it, it gets even smarter. You can have it call for your cat. It has a default sound, but you can even record your own voice and call your cat personally to it when it's time to eat. And while this is battery powered only and gives you no warning when it's about to run out, this can be plugged in and has batteries and will warn you when the batteries are low. It will also warn you when the food is low, and it will warn you if it's having any issue. Now, my one complaint with this device is that it does not read the microchip between my cat's shoulder blades. You do need to put a microchip on a cat collar so it's close enough to this pad that it will read that microchip and open the door. So as long as your cat is fine wearing collars, this is a fantastic option. And if your cat's not going to wear collars, I really love the SurePet feeder as well.